All right, guys, Steve from Proformance Unlimited here. We on the dyno stand for you today. We have one of our LS3 525 horsepower engine combinations. This was built for a gentleman that's going to be putting it into his 1980 Pontiac Trans Am, doing the LS swap on it. Came out pretty beautiful looking. Guy asked me to paint the engine block black and do all the polished accessories on here. She looks really mean. If you're looking for an engine design like this for your hot rod, feel free to give us a call at 1-800-267-3940. Let's take you over to dyno run.
All right, Chris, I got your 1980 Pontiac Trans Am engine on it now. It has to be one of our LS3 engines. We're going to fire it up, give you a run demo.